The latest PowerLift Pro allows you to connect your Android device via Bluetooth. This video shows you how to set up that connection. You can get your Android device connected to your PowerLift Pro in 3 easy steps. The first step is simple. Just turn on your PowerLift control box and make sure that it's ready for pairing. The blinking light on the front of the PowerLift control box will let you know it's awaiting a Bluetooth connection. The next step is going to the settings in your Android device. Click on Bluetooth and it should automatically perform a search. What you're looking for is MLCS Pro. Click on that to pair. Enter the pin code 1234 and click pair. Now it's added as a trusted device and you won't have to do that step ever again. Now all you have to do is open the PowerLift Pro app. You'll see a brief screen showing that it's looking for a Bluetooth connection, and then it automatically connects and you're ready to use the lift. Whenever you switch to another application in your Android device and come back to the PowerLift Pro app, you'll see that reconnection screen, but it should automatically connect. As soon as that screen goes away, the lift is ready for use. If you launch the PowerLift Pro app and it gets stuck on that screen that's trying to find a Bluetooth connection, there's 2 things that you can check. First, make sure that your PowerLift Pro control box is powered on. And then second, make sure that you have MLCS Pro paired as a trusted device in your Bluetooth section. It's that simple. If those 2 things are in place, your app will automatically connect. For more videos on the PowerLift Pro, visit MLCSWoodworking.com.